Welcome to our channel. If you need to send money internationally through TD Bank using an online wire transfer, follow these detailed steps to complete the transaction securely. Step 1. Log in to your TD Bank online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. From the main menu, navigate to Transfers or Move Money and select Wire Transfer or Send Money Internationally. Step 3. Choose the account from which you want to send the funds. Ensure the account has sufficient balance to cover the transfer amount plus any fees. Step 4. Select International Wire Transfer and enter the recipient's information, including their full name, address, and bank account details. Step 5. You will need the recipient's bank SWIFT code or BIC code, which identifies their bank internationally, as well as their IBAN or account number depending on the destination country. Step 6. Enter the transfer amount in US dollars. TD Bank will display the exchange rate and any applicable fees before you confirm the transaction. International wire transfer fees typically range from $40 to $50 depending on the destination. Step 7. Review all details carefully, including the recipient's information, transfer amount, fees, and estimated delivery time. International wires usually take 1 to 5 business days. Step 8. Confirm and authorize the transfer using your security credentials or multi-factor authentication. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email with a reference number for tracking purposes. Save this number for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.